Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, proposal of armed variant of C390M. AMRAAM in its briefing to the Indian Air Force for the medium transport aircraft tender for 60 transporters has introduced a bold new proposition. The C390M Millennium, equipped with hard points under its wing to carry air-to-surface weapon systems. This capability, aimed at providing anti-land and anti-ship operational capabilities, could position the C390M as a versatile, multi-role platform beyond its primary transport function. The C390M can potentially be outfitted with multiple hardpoints under each wing. These hardpoints would support heavy standoff weapon systems such as the Rudram 2, an air-to-surface missile developed for the IAF. Next, reassessment of Hypersonic BrahMos. After receiving a lukewarm response to the proposed BrahMos 2K hypersonic cruise missile, BrahMos Aerospace, in partnership with Russia, is revisiting the missile's technical specifications and pricing structure. The initial response highlighted concerns over the missile's high developmental and post-production unit costs. As a result, both countries are engaged in technical discussions to refine the missile's design, ensuring it can offer enhanced capabilities while striving to balance costs. The BrahMos 2K was intended to be an Indian variant of the Russian 3M-22 Zircon, a scramjet-powered hypersonic cruise missile. Initially, the missile was envisioned to reach speeds of Mach 6 with a range between 800 to 900 km. However, the missile was not to carry nuclear warheads, positioning it as a conventional offensive weapon for the Indian Armed Forces. Next, building enhanced Scorpene submarine with AIP and Lithium-Ion Batteries. India's state-owned Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited is on the verge of signing a contract to build 3 enhanced Scorpene class submarines for the Indian Navy. These advanced submarines will incorporate cutting-edge air-independent propulsion, that is AIP system, and lithium-ion batteries, significantly increasing their underwater endurance and operational capabilities. The new submarines will also feature higher indigenous content, supporting India's push for self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Next, Pakistan to replace AMRAAMs and AIM-9 with Turkish air-to-air missiles. The Pakistan Air Force is set to replace the US origin AIM-120 Advanced Medium Range Air-to-Air Missile and AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles of its F-16 Block 15x30 MLU fleet with Turkish manufactured alternatives. The decision comes after the United States delayed approval of Pakistan's request for a new arms deal, a situation exacerbated by geopolitical and historical complications. Next, Thales investing heavily in Indian Aviation with new MRO facility. Jean-Marc Boudin, Senior Vice President of the Middle East, Africa and India at Thales, has announced a significant investment in India's burgeoning aviation sector. A multi-million euro project is underway to establish an advanced maintenance, repair and overall facility, that is MRO facility, in Gurgaon, near the Delhi airport, with completion expected by 2025. This facility is designed to enhance service efficiency for key Indian airlines like Air India and Indigo, providing state-of-the-art maintenance solutions for avionics system. Next, Nepali Army Chief visits Pune, explores Indian defense manufacturing. Suprabal Janeshwar Shri General Ashok Raj Sigdel, Chief of the Army Staff of the Nepali Army, is currently on an official visit. As part of his itinerary, he toured two premier defense manufacturing facilities in Pune, Tata Advanced Systems Limited and Bharat Forge Limited, both renowned for their contribution for cutting-edge military technology. During his visit, General Sigdel lauded the role of TAS and Bharat Forge in advancing India's defense manufacturing capabilities. Both companies are key players in the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Next, planning to give green light to Tapas UAV for maritime surveillance. In a significant development for India's indigenous defense capabilities, the Indian Navy has given the go-ahead for the procurement of the Tapas medium altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, as confirmed by a high-ranking naval official. This decision comes even as Adani Defence and Aerospace Drishti 10 UAV has made headlines recently. The Navy plans to procure 10 units of the Tapas UAV, which will be stationed at the strategic naval base in the Andaman and Nicobar Island to maritime surveillance operation. This move is aimed at securing key maritime lanes in the region, crucial for India's strategic interest in the Indian Ocean. The Tapas UAV, developed by DRDO, has been undergoing rigorous testing to meet the stringent requirement set by the armed forces. Next, Su-57 versus F-35. As India navigates the complex landscape of military aviation, the choice between the Russian Su-57 and the American F-35 has become a focal point, especially with President Vladimir Putin's upcoming visit to New Delhi for the 23rd annual India-Russia bilateral summit. The recent advocacy by Russian state media, particularly through Sputnik India's tweets, has positioned the Su-57 as not only a tactical choice but a strategic one for the India's defense needs. The Su-57, Russia's answer to fifth-generation fighter technology, has been promoted for its versatility, being a multi-role fighter capable of air superiority, ground attack, and electronic warfare. Posts found on X highlight its ability to integrate stealth with superior speed and maneuverability, suggesting it might offer a balanced approach to combat scenarios India might face. Next, BFL, that is Bharat Forge Limited, acquires 25% stake in Italian underwater drone innovator Edgelab SPA. BFL, a global leader in metal forming and a key player in the automotive and defense sectors, has announced its strategic acquisition of a 25% equity stake in Edgelab SPA, an Italian firm renowned for its expertise in autonomous underwater vehicles. This move marks a significant expansion into the realm of marine robotics for Bharat Forge, with potential implications for both civilian and defense applications. Next, achieving cost-effective parachute production for Tejas aircraft. In a significant stride towards self-reliance in defense manufacturing, Indian India's Ordnance Parachute Factory in Kanpur has started producing pilot parachutes specially designed for the indigenous Tejas fighter jet. This development not only underscores India's growing capabilities in aerospace technology, but also highlights a breakthrough in cost efficiency. Thank you.